Hi, this is Karthik. Welcome you all for this session. In this session, I'm going to teach you how to use bullets in Microsoft Word. Once again, I repeat the topic, how to use bullets in Microsoft Word. I'm going to explain how to use bullets in Microsoft Word using a simple example. Type and apply the same bullets as shown below, where we want to type and apply the same bullets as shown right here. After applying the same bullet, format the title memory. Font style, word art as you like. Shape field, red. Reset the bullet text. The font size is 18 and font color is green. In order to complete the task, we need to open Microsoft Word. How to open Microsoft Word? It's quite simple. Go to search and type Word where you can find Word 2016 icon. Just click the icon in order to open it. When you click the icon, it will take you to the backstage view. Click the blank document. When you click the blank document, it will take you to the workspace where you can find plenty of tabs and toolbars. Go to Insert tab where you can find word art. In word art, you can find the varieties of word art. Choose any one as you like. And type the title memory, followed by primary memory and RAM and ROM, followed by secondary memory, followed by CD, DVD and USB. Now it's the time to apply the bullets. Select primary memory and go to bullets and click the bullets in which you need. Select RAM and ROM, again go to bullets and select the bullets as you need. Now you can see primary memory, RAM, ROM all are in a straight line. But we need to move RAM and ROM towards right hand side. How to do it? Use the options decrease indent and increase indent. Just click on increase indent, it will increase the indent. Select secondary memory and go to bullets and choose a bullet as you like. Select CD, DVD and USB. Once again go to bullets and choose the bullet as required. Now you can see all are in a straight line. So we need to increase the indent. Just click increase indent. Now it's fine. Select all the bullet text and go to line spacing and increase the line spacing to 2. Select the word art and go to format and go to shape fill and use the color red. Select all the bullet text, go to home and change the font size to 18 and font color to green. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video and see you all in the next video.